In this video, we will be constructing a phylogenetic tree of a deck of cards. Let's start with what a phylogenetic tree is. A phylogenetic tree is basically a map that shows the genetic relationship/similarity between different organisms, where organisms that are closer together on the map and share a more recent common ancestor are more closely related. The organisms that are used in the tree are called operational taxonomic units, otherwise known as OTUs, and can be a virus strain, an allele, and in this case, a species of cards. Let's find these card species. Here we have a standard deck of cards. The first divergence of the species would be the Joker card and the rest of the deck. Following that, the red cards and black cards diverge into two groups. Now we can divide the cards into their suits: spades, clubs, diamonds, and hearts. The last divergence of species will divide the face cards, which are the ace, king, queen, and jack, from the number cards, cards 2 to 10 in each suit. This results in 9 distinct species, where we will consider the number cards of a particular suit a single species, and the face cards of a particular suit a different single species. These 9 species are the OTUs in our tree. Now we have our rooted phylogenetic tree of a deck of cards. A rooted phylogenetic tree means that we have an outgroup species that is the most distantly related species that shares a common ancestor with the rest of the species in the tree. In this case, our outgroup species is the Joker card. This outgroup species is the root of our tree, so we can determine both the distance between the OTUs as well as when each species diverged from common ancestors. The length of the branches, which are the horizontal lines on the tree, measure the amount of relative evolutionary time, so shorter branches mean more closely related species. This evolution that occurs on one branch or lineage is called anagenesis. The internal nodes are the points where speciation occurs and two new species emerge. The node itself represents the most recent common ancestor that existed before the divergence of species. This divergence of a one branch or lineage into two is called cladogenesis. Looking at this tree, we can see that the most closely related species are the number and face cards of the same suit.